Alright, I'm recording it. And the game's winding down fast. Oh, no, she's not doing that. She's doing. Wait.
Yo, you have to send me the recording.
Alright. I'll put it on my YouTube.
What's the channel? What?
Hold on.
Over 47.
No, not that one. Hold on. Be quiet. You don't want to move. She sounds like a man when she sleeps. What the fuck? I remember when you were sleeping, you'd be like, that's how you sounded.
Your little cat. Oh, you still recording?
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it a link to the video. I want to see what she says about it. Someone else is legit. Oh my god, it's funny. That is funny.
Funny.
Oh, Shane's online. What? He's gonna join a party.
Yeah, he's not gonna shut the fuck up.
I know, right? It's so quiet. He's just looking to get all this stuff.
I'm gonna close it.
Yeah.
Sounds like Darth Vader.
Breathing. Wait, could you hear her voice though? Like, with her mic still on her face.
On her face?
Like, Taylor, are you there? I'm not even tired right now. My eyes don't even hurt. Like,
Me neither, dude. I'm gonna have fucking coffee in a little bit here. Let's try to stay up as... Bagels? Now I'm gonna end this shit.
Morning. Whoa. Okay. Put on YouTube right now.
Alright, you have to say something before I turn it off?
I'm done here.